Hey everyone! Have you ever struggled to create bootable USB drives? Today, I'll help you. We'll quickly download an etcher on your Windows PC. By the end of this video, first open your browser. Go to Google and type Balena Etcher download. This will take you to the official Balena Etcher website. Next, find the Download for Windows button. Click it and the installer will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, open the installer file. If a security prompt appears, click Yes. The installation will begin and finish without. After installation, Balena Etcher should launch automatically. If it doesn't, search for Balena Etcher in the Start menu and click Flash, and Balena Etcher will create your bootable USB. And share and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.